say, who is Nicki Minaj? And, you know, I'm like a multiple personality bitch. Like, you know, I'm a ninja. And I'm bored. And I'm the Harajuku Barbie.
Baddest in the town, so I came down and had to pick up my crown. Went to Taiwan and had to pick up my wand. Now everybody wanna pick up my sound. Baddest underground since Harriet Tub. That's why when I come around they harry and run. And I know it ain't math, but I carry the one. Got a couple body.
We getting money, our pockets never hungry. We getting money, our pockets never hungry. We getting money, our pockets never hungry. Real best friend, we call it Young Money. We getting money, our pockets never hungry. We getting money, our pockets never hungry. We getting money, our pockets never hungry. Real best friend, we call it Young Money. We getting money, our pockets never hungry. We getting money, our pockets never hungry. We getting money, our pockets never hungry. Real best friend, we call it Young.
You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
No boy.
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 You're a jerk. Jerk.
Jerky.
Jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
Jerky.
Jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
Jerky.
Jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
I'm so cocky with it. Got my eyes shut, closed like Rocky. Got the girl on my swag, she loving them jerking songs like the new iPod. Just touch it to turn her on, and when the bass start beating in the waist, I'm beating. Done, I got on my way, I'm leaving. She like, where you going? I ain't got my shoes in first. I said it's none of your concern, and she yelled. So I walked out the door, called BJ. Told him it's a function, he said I'm on my way. We put up to the party, I took off my shirt and got geeked up. Everybody jerking, we was jerking to the right, jerking to the left. Then she popped it out of nowhere, she was still half dressed. She like a real jerky, love me for this stuff. Till the whole party heard her, but all I could hear was wah, 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 wah.
You're a jerk.
White trippin', I ain't even do nothing.
You're a jerk.
I'm a jerk, you ain't never lie, but hey, do me a favor, call me jerk one more time.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
Hey,
You're a
hey,
jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
Hey,
You're a
hey.
jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
Everything quiet in the bass real hard, and I stay geeked up, never been a retard. Got a new boy swag, and this here for y'all, so they gotta keep it separate like the Jim Crow laws. I'm a beast, I'm a king, and I guess I'm a jerk, and I go to big rounds, cause your boy here flirt. Man, you call me a bottle with your little jerk lines, and you say you brought it up, but the jerk is mine. You squeezing, I'm squeezing, but your style is whack. Why you coming to the front? You can push that back. Got your girl on the side, she talking a little stuff. Once she text me on the phone, Ben J hit it rough, so I did, it was good, and I quickly got dressed. She was like,
yo, what's up, Keith?
That's my word. Smoking purple, sipping, yeah. That's my word.
Hyphy, what it do? Fashizi.
That's my word.
Raw Records, baby. Dope Game 2.
Something like my hammer strap, I'm smoking purple, sipping, yeah. Inhaler, I'm priming team miss, causing asthma attacks. Hitting niggas, taking early phase, got backs direct the scene. Shoot them with cannon, so how you gonna act? But latent, this is in that cutter, love for doing my this. Owen, drinking, throwing up the hood. Solo, but on the low, my doing hella. At one time, my definition of hyphy, man, it's fizzing. I'm in the building and I'm feeling like, yee. R.I.P. to the Mac, D.R.E. So don't stop.